Want to be a first-time home buyer? Here are some tips on how to start saving for your down payment. In Finance Minutes 103, we talked about minimum down payment requirements. Please watch that video to learn more about minimum down payment and other costs you need to know when buying a home. Here are your tips on how to start saving for your down payment. Tip number 1, know your target. How much money do you need? For a quick estimate, here's our buying power calculator. Your annual gross income times 4.2 equals buying power or maximum purchase price without any debts or loans. Basically, add up all of the gross income of everyone who is buying with you. Once you have that number, multiply that by 4.2, which will give you approximately how much you will need to possibly qualify without taking into account your debts. For example, if your gross income is $100,000 for you and your spouse, multiply that with 4.2 and that equals $420,000. You could potentially buy this if you don't have any other debts. Once you have that number, refer to Finance Minutes 103, where we summarize how much money you need for the down payment and closing costs depending on the purchase price. If this is too much for you to calculate, book a quick call with me and my team and we'll give you the numbers you need within 15 minutes. Tip number 2, identify your goal. How much do you want to buy when, and how much money do you need in total? Tip number 3, identify your purpose. Why do you want this? If your goal and purpose is clear, then it's easy to create the next step, which is strategy. Tip number 4, calculate how much money you have currently available and deduct that from the amount you need in total from tip number 2. Tip number 5, set a target date for when you're going to accumulate your total remaining down payment by, and calculate how many months you have left to reach that target. Divide the total money you need by the number of months to arrive at that monthly savings you need to set aside to get you closer to your target. For example, you need $15,000 and you set a target date of 6 months to save up this money. You then have to divide $15,000 by 6. This means that you need to set aside $2,500 per month so that you have the total money you need by the end of your personal deadline. Tip 6, review this number against your total gross income and family expenses. Is this realistic, doable, and possible? If so, then proceed with the plan. If not, then I suggest you increase the number of months or proceed to tip number 9, where I talk about the easiest way for you to get the money you need. Tip number 7 is choose your best investment product to put your money in. Choose an automatic monthly or bi-weekly investment plan so it's taken from your paycheck every time it comes in. It's taken from the top before your other expenses. Where should you invest? You can invest in RRSP. The good news about RRSP is you can get a tax refund the following year, which would be an added bonus. Other investment vehicles would be TFSA, so that interest is tax-free, or a regular savings account if you maxed out on your RRSP and TFSA rooms. Tip number 8 is if you are feeling overwhelmed with the monthly savings requirement, ask your mortgage strategy manager how much is the monthly mortgage payment for the property you wish to buy. You may realize that the monthly payment is more than the monthly savings you need to make, so really you should be able to afford it. Tip number 9, what is the easiest and fastest way for you to get the down payment needed? Gifted down payment. Lenders here in Canada allow you to buy a property using gifted money from your parents, siblings, or grandparents. Over 25% of first-time homebuyers use gifted down payment to buy their home sooner. So, talk to your family and explain your goals and purpose. There you go. Those are the top 9 tips on how to save up for your down payment. I hope you found this helpful. If you're thinking of buying a home soon, give us a call at 604-436-4600 or email us at team@carista.ca. Our mortgage strategy managers are standing by for a quick call to help you. My name is Rachel Castillo, Mortgage Strategy Manager here at Carista Mortgage. If you enjoyed these tips, please like and share this video and inspire others too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and look for us on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn if you want to hear from us regularly. And if you made it this far in our video and you're not already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from us. If you want to learn more, you can watch the playlist or watch another video that you might like. We'll see you on the next one, and you can also leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any topics that you would like us to discuss. Thanks for watching!